Hi, I'm Laura with Jot Tittle Typewriters, and today I wanted to share with you a really exciting announcement we have for Jot Tittle Typewriters. Up until now, we haven't offered any warranty for our typewriters. We really were on a very sharp learning curve, and we did our best to give you an accurate estimation of how the typewriter worked. But beyond that, we didn't offer a warranty. But now we do, and instead of raising all of the prices of our typewriters, we wanted to give you the option to take advantage of a warranty. So you now, when you purchase from us, can purchase the typewriter as is at the same prices we've been selling them. Or you can add on a 6-month warranty. And let me explain to you just a little bit of how that works. What that means is, for 6 months from the time you receive your typewriter, if anything happens to the typewriter that has anything to do with mechanical issues, then you can send it back to us and we'll repair it for free and we'll return it to you for free. So that's a really great added level of comfort for many buyers. But we wanted to give you the option to take advantage of that or not. So please take advantage of the 6-month warranty. It's really a great option. It's only $60, so that's $10 a month. And it gives you a little bit of peace of mind. Now I want to go over real quick what that does and does not include. So for example, if you scratch the exterior, it doesn't cover that. If somebody bangs on the typewriter really hard and busts it, it doesn't cover that. This covers anything normal wear and tear or something that, it wasn't broken at the time that we serviced it, but later it breaks. Then we'll cover that. We'll fix that for you. If the drawband breaks, if the keys just get all they're just not functioning properly, the return handle falls off, something like that. If you have an electric typewriter, if the motor goes out, then we'll take care of that. And what will happen is if we can't repair it, then we'll refund you the purchase price of your typewriter less the shipping. Or we'll give you credit for another typewriter. So either way, you're going to either get your typewriter repaired or you're going to get a refund or you get to pick out another one. So that's a really added buffer that you can get, especially if you're giving a gift. I highly recommend purchasing that warranty because your gift recipient was not part of the buying process. They didn't read maybe the description of the typewriter or they didn't watch the typing video, which we really highly suggest you tell your gift recipients to do so they understand what they're getting. But if they get a typewriter and later it breaks down, then they can return that to us and we'll just take care of that for them. So if you have any questions, please comment below or contact us through our Etsy shop. But we're so excited to be able to offer this 6-month warranty to you. So make sure when you're checking out, one of the options when you're selecting what you want is add a 6-month warranty. And another bonus in that, it includes an extra ribbon. So you'll see in your options, you can buy the typewriter as is with a new ribbon already installed. You can add an extra ribbon or you can get the 6-month warranty, which comes with an extra ribbon built into it. So it's a win-win for everybody. Hope you love this new feature and this new benefit we've added for our customers. Let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.